Hello everyone, and welcome to the part 2 of this video on how to draw a 9-pointed star. So if you missed the part 1 where I showed that is the method 1 of this video, I'll leave a link to that video in the description of this particular video. So if you are new to PA Academy and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, PA Academy, please kindly click on that subscribe button below your screen. It's absolutely free to subscribe. It won't cost you anything, but it helps the channel to grow. So please take your time and click on that subscribe button. And let me know in the comment section below if you have just subscribed. Alright, so thank you. So now let's look at another way of drawing a 9-pointed star as method 2, like I have here, method 2. Now if you look closely, that means if you watch the method 1, which is the part 1, you have a nonagon on this sheet. So if you look at it, I already have a nonagon. I've drawn it before the video just to save time. And like I said, if you don't know how to draw a nonagon, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video that will show you how to draw a regular nonagon. That is a polygon with 9 sides. So when you are drawing yours, make sure you draw it with a faint line, because what you actually need are the vertices. So now from this nonagon, let's just point out the vertices and then we'll label it. So this is 1. This is it. Let's call it vertex A, and this will be vertex B, and vertex C. This will be that of D, vertex E, vertex F, vertex G, vertex H, and vertex I. So in the part 1 of this video, I've explained what these vertices means. So I haven't identified it. Now for this method 2, so I'm going to be starting from this vertex A. So what we are going to do is from vertex A, since you are starting from this point, we are going to draw a line from vertex A, skipping 2 other vertices, and then we are going to be drawing a line to the third one. This is what I mean. So from vertex A, we are going to draw a line from vertex A straight to vertex D, skipping vertices B and C. This is it. So that's what the concept in this part 2 of this video. From A, you skip 2, you go to the third one. Now from D, we are going to skip E and F, and we are going to draw a line to vertex G. So let's do that. So from vertex D straight to vertex G. And then from vertex G, we are going to skip vertex H, vertices H and that of I. So we'll draw it straight to point A. So when I say point A, I mean vertex A. So now I haven't done that, since if you have to go again, it will take us back to D. So we start the process again. Let's pick it from point B. So from vertex B, we are going to skip vertices C and D and draw a line straight to that of E. So you make it bold. So from E, you skip F and G, then you draw it straight to H. So from vertex E, you are going to draw a line straight to that of H. So from H now we skip vertex I and vertex A. We draw a line to B. So if you are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Click on that thumbs up button to give the video a thumbs up. So you can see we are already having something like this. So now if you have to continue, we are going to come back to point E. So instead of that, then we go take it to C. So now we are going to start the process again from C. So from C, we are going to skip vertices. We skip vertices D and E and then draw a line to F. So let's do that. So from C straight to F. So from F straight to I, skipping G and H. And then for the last line that we have, so from I, we are going to be skipping A and B, then straight to C. So this is how you go ahead to draw a 9-pointed star. This is the second method of drawing a 9-pointed star. So in the next part of this video, we are going to be looking at method 3. So if you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and that method 3 will be coming up immediately after this video. So do make sure you watch it to let this video roll to the end. The method 3 will be coming up immediately after this video. So if you have any question or any comments for me, please let me know in the comment section below. And also check our playlist on technical and engineering drawing. There are a lot of videos there that I believe will be of help to you. You can also check out our website, paacademy.co. So with that, I'll see you all in the part 3 of this video. So I'll be showing you the third method, and that video will be coming up immediately after this. Thank you.